What do you understand about biodiversity?
Biodiversity is a variety of plants and animals and other living things in a particular area. There are three levels of biodiversity: genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity.
Species diversity. Species is a group of interbreeding organisms that do not ordinarily breed with members of other groups. An ecosystem where some species are represented by many individuals and other species are represented by very few individuals has a low species evenness. Bird and fish. For example, the fishes species are represented by many individuals, forming a school of fish. Birds, like kingfishers, like to hunt and stay as individuals. Genetic variation. It is mean that in a certain population, species of animals and some individual may have different traits and colors. Genetic variation is caused by mutation within organism gene. Genetic variation is very helpful. Having a such wide variety of characteristics in a population make impossible for us to know which traits are helpful and which aren't. If mutation occurs, it will cause genetic variations. The new traits that are established, they all may not survive based on if it is helpful or not. Culture diversity. In a UNIMAS, there are many cultures, races, and religions that can be seen. Some festivals were celebrated in UNIMAS, such as Chitrawarna, Mooncake Festival, and Pongal. Therefore, students can learn and experience different culture even in UNIMAS. Ecosystem. Ecosystem is a community of living organisms like plants, animals, and microbes in conjunction with the non-living components of their environment, for example, air, water, and mineral soil, interacting as a system. Ecosystem will fail if they do not remain in balance, as all organisms are depends on each others, like the fish that live in the lake and build nests on the trees so it can help protect their habitats from the other predators. Each organism has its own niche and role to play. For example, leaf in soil acts as decomposer. The decomposed organic matter in the soil then produce feces, which is nutrient that can recycle back to plant.
Why biodiversity is important?
Biodiversity boosts ecosystem productivity where each species, no matter how small they are, have each important role.
How can biodiversity be sustained?
By conservation of biodiversity and preservation such as protection of biodiversity from any kind of human activity.